Imagine you have a problem where your filter underscore list contains a large number of elements that you need to filter with dplyr. Filter. You're able to apply the filtering, but you wonder if there's a way to make it more concise. The use of all underscore of doesn't seem to work in this case, adding to the complexity of the situation. In the solution provided, you can leverage the reduce-to function from the purrr library in R. By iteratively applying filter statements to the data, you can streamline the filtering process. This approach helps in reducing the code while maintaining efficiency and clarity in the filtering operation. It's a handy method to simplify complex filtering tasks without sacrificing precision. Building upon the previous step, the result after applying the reduce-to function is a tibble containing the filtered data based on the specified conditions. The output showcases the filtered dataset with the desired columns and rows that match the criteria set in the filter underscore list. This concise representation makes it easier to analyze and work with the filtered data effectively, saving time and effort in the process. To ensure the correctness of the filtering process, a comparison is made between the output obtained using the reduce-to approach and the traditional dplyr filter method. By verifying that the results match, you can confirm the accuracy of the optimized filtering technique. This validation step adds another layer of reliability to the filtering process, giving you confidence in the outcome of the streamlined filtering operation. In summary, by utilizing the reduce-to function along with filter statements, you can efficiently filter data with multiple conditions in a more concise manner. This approach not only simplifies the filtering process, but also enhances the readability and effectiveness of handling large datasets. Say goodbye to cumbersome filtering code and embrace a more efficient way to filter your data. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any cool or tips you have.